As Akshay mentioned, there's no requirement to install a 12 GB worth of software or configure the license. And literally, there is no heavy IT heavy lifting here. Here I'm using just a Chrome browser. You can actually use any of the most popular browsers like IE or Mozilla or Safari or anything. As soon as you actually log into the system will present, Onshape will present you like a social media style page to show you the activities happening in your company. Like all those documents you got permission to access to, you can actually literally see what other people are actually looking and doing those projects. You can also drill down to maybe a particular project if you want to. If you don't really want to see the whole project, you just want to see a particular machine design here. You can see Chris, my manager, he actually opened this document a couple of times yesterday. You can see here me open this document a couple of times. So it's very clear, the collaboration and the teamwork is the one of the main focus about Onshape platform. And you can literally see what is going on very clearly in the screen. Now, one other important thing about Onshape is, if you compare with the traditional CAD system, moving file from one folder to another file, renaming a file, it's a very big problem. People are actually scared to rename the objects. But with Onshape, it's okay. You can actually put files in any location. You can easily create subfolders very easily here. Move the files between one location to another. Renaming a file, no hassle at all. It can have same file name. The file name don't need to be exactly unique. You can have file names as you like, and the location and things like that. Now, even before we getting into and open that file, even looking at the information about the document, that document information will clearly tell you everything about that document, like a permission. That's an important thing. I would like to know who got access to this document. You can see my marketing team can only view only permission, but all other my colleagues like Chris, Peter, Debbie, they all got edit permission here. Okay, sorry, Peter only got view permission, but Debbie got edit permission. But not only that, if you look at the history of this object, you can literally see all the history, of this object from the really beginning on the start of this part until now. This is the way the product is being evolved with the multiple iteration of the design, with the different releases. You can see this triangle that basically means it's been released. But even if you just go and drill down, every stages of those, every operations you have done is been saved inside Onshape with a timestamp on it. Who actually changed that, what that information. And the real beauty is at any point of time, you can actually restore that into a particular state. You can always, you're not losing the data at all. You can easily get back to that stage and you can start from there. Okay, that's another important, really nice beauty of Onshape here. Now, even like if you just go to the action items here, it actually clearly clear me. For example, I'm interested, I'm supposed to do some release approval today. So system will give me that release straight away on my screen here. For example, this oximeter need to go through this release cycle. I can even look at the workflow. Okay, you can see my basic workflow here. It can be directly released or it can be rejected, and then there's an intermediate life cycle of pending, and we can customize the life cycle as you like. You can have your own company custom life cycle. So here you can see it's been revised from versions from C to version D. I can actually go and compare between the parts here between revision C and revision D. If you like to see the graphical representation, what exactly it's been changed here, that is also possible. Okay, then I can put my comments here. Looks great. Sorry, looks great. Typo here. And then I can just release that straight away, and everybody who got access to will get an email notification. So this is not just a CAD system. Don't just get misinterpret Onshape as a CAD. It is a design platform, can do CAD and PDM system. CAD is actually built in on top of the PDM system.